Let's do some trading in a different part of the market. Alan Nuckman joins us, Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com, looking at Pfizer as it tries to break away from its COVID associations and a trade on its own, not suffer the same fate as companies like Moderna, which have been getting beat up. Pfizer's not doing too wonderful, Alan, but at least it bounced right at that same year-to-date low once again.
Right. That is key. That's the whole idea here, that 45 is an amazing level for this stock to lean on. As a trader, you've got to find a support. And this is something that really talked about. We've been trading sideways here between 45 and 55, a triple bottom here for all of 2022. Now, looking at this stock, it's 20% off its December top, but it's still up 75% in the last year of trade. And also that 45 comes into play because it's gone between 30 and 60 over the last 5 years. So the midpoint super support is 45. Okay.
And it's held multiple times.
Right.
And year to date, its loss is half that of Moderna. So the market's starting to think about, its non-COVID business, of course, as well, which is massive business on its own. And, even though you're not a fundamental guy, I know it's in the back of your head, too. This is, a staple of healthcare and pharma.
Right. Right. It's a macro market play. I'm bullish on the macro market. Last week was huge. Now, we have to build on it, but we had new highs in the dollar and a lower weekly close. That's a top in place. If we could build on it this week, that would help everybody. And we had a test and reject of the lows in crude oil, and the stock market, as far as the S&P, held 3,900. So there's a lot, which is the midpoint of this rally from the bottom that we've seen. So we've got a lot of positives to build on, that's for sure. Looking at this stock, I'm looking at the January 45 call. It's trading for about $5 right now. It's $3 or $4. It's $3 or something in the money. Fundamentals, I'm going to throw it out for you because you brought it up, not me. PE is 8. That's cheap.
All right. Can't argue with that. It is pretty cheap. Just about every definition. All right. So the bullish trade on Pfizer. Thanks, Alan. Appreciate it, sir.
Thank you.
All right. The morning trade. Looking for more gains in Pfizer after finding support from its year-to-date low. Thanks, Alan Nuckman. Coming up, let's talk some more economic data. Always a good discussion with Mark Hamrick from Bankrate. When we come back, don't miss another look at the most important information you'll